So hello guys, this is Umesh and welcome to Techicious. Now we are gonna uh, make a script to log in Facebook with Python. So we need this Selenium. So this is the code to install Selenium from website, and we also need a browser, something like Firefox or Chrome. So make sure you have these things available already before writing the code. So now let's start the code. First we will import a WebDriver from Selenium, and then we will import sleep from time module. Here is the code for that. Now we will create a driver. Driver is used to open a browser and call with the website. So this is the code for the driver. WebDriver dot after dot you have to write the desired browser name as you want. You can use Chrome or Firefox or Safari if you are in Apple. After creating driver, we will ask browser to open the website. So we have to pass the website link in the .get method. So here's the code for that. Now we will wait for 2 seconds to just let the website load perfectly in the browser. Now we will print it so that we know that page is loaded without opening the browser or going to it. That's a fancy stuff. Now as our website is loaded, we will find the input boxes so that we can enter the username and password into them. So here's the code for that. And guys, we are always gonna use driver for that, for every single thing happening in Selenium. That's why we made it earlier. So find element by id is a method in Selenium WebDriver, and the parameter passed into it is from the website facebook.com. So watch my next video for to know how to get this from the website. So this code will find the username box. After finding the username box, you have to pass your email id into it. So for passing the email id, here's the code. We use send keys method for that. So as you can see, we have written the code, and into the parameters you have to pass the username, and now we will find the password box. Here's the code for that. And in id I am again passing the parameter I got from the website. So watch my next video to know how to get it. After finding the password box, we will pass the values into it. We'll again use send keys, and you have to enter your password as parameter into it. Don't write enter your password here, enter your password in real. Okay, so after that we have to find the login button, and again we will find it by id only. So this is the id to get the login button. After that we have to click the button, and as we are clicking the real button, so we will use the dot click method from Selenium WebDriver only. I'm writing the comments as well with the voice so that you can understand, and you will get the code along with the video in the description box. You can check for that. Now as we have clicked the button, we will wait for the website to load again so that we can see our timelines. As the wait ends, we have to print something so that we can know that our page is loaded. Now we will get an input from user so that the program can end itself, and we can save some battery on our PC. So after input we will write the code to close the driver. As the driver closes, the program will end itself. Here's the code for that, and that's all. You have made the Facebook login Facebook login code. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you.